so me and the advocate for the people to slap me not be problem. But I wasn't going to follow after you slap me.
I saw a video when you were threatening, you were boasting that they should donate money for you, that you are going to deal with, what do they call him? That's that guy that slapped you. What is his name? Huh? Double chief slap you. You said they should raise money for you. You take him to court, and you are going to do this. You are going to do that. Why were you defrauding my Benin people? Why did you?
How many times did it take for when you are about the court? Was it 3 days or one month?
No, the question I asked you, why did you defraud?
How many years it take you? You take when you went
6 years. 6 years.
Okay, 6 years. How many months be my own? Don't 5 months.
No, you did not go to court now, but you collected their money.
No, now should be if I go court now, I can't do live video for call to show you now.
No, if you carry double chief go court, I have spy everywhere. I have information.
And what about the time where double chief tell you now say the black say the matter don't they start small you go update to now. He is supposed to ask for updates. Because now he can't tell now say the black say the matter don't they start small. He say he go carry on along. Now he supposed to go to ask say how far.
Okay, I see Tony Kabaka for this.
Okay, you don't see it. You
don't
see it that one.
You see now he burn your house. Why you not arrest him for this? Yeah, see the man we burn my house. So Tony Kabaka.
The law does not work like that. The law does not work like that. The UK police does not have the jurisdiction to investigate what happened for Abagba.
Okay, now.
So all I need to prove to the police here is that I reported the case. I did a petition. The police refused to act because we have a bastardized system. That's all I need. But now the one way you do for here, you for ask her to say, you say if you see her, you go break his jaw. Why you don't go in house? And amigo come my house, he drive around. We don't feel come. The one way come from this thing, he say, the one come from London. As he see me, he say, he don't tour. How about he went, he don't tour. I went up from the same bed door, he don't tour.
I saw the man. But
he said, he don't tour.
Okay, now under
so Kabaka, if he come again, can't make it commit crime for this town. Make it commit crime. When are you
going to return the money you collected from my people?
Let me tell you, the money they donated was for my upkeep. Was for me to take care of myself and also seek legal redress. The money is around £3,000, around 6 million.
But let me tell you, do you have a village where you come from in Benin?
Okay, you don't finish Kabaka.
Do you have
I don't even mention my name again. All the misinformation.
No, do you have a village?
So you do the correct content.
No,
talk
do you have a village?
You have the opportunity.
Do you have a village where you come from?
Of course, I'm from a one day.
Okay. Obazee, our excellency, was a governor for 8 years. What was your impact? What was your impact in that Eho?
I don't live in Eho. I don't live in Eho. Eho is not in the metropolis. I don't live there.
What about your mother village?
Have you go? Obazee walked in that major road. He dualized that road.
Okay, I want to put it before you. In my own village where I come from, you can go and confirm it. I personally called Osarodiongi. May God bless my daddy. When I went to Nigeria, where you were fighting me, all these things.
No,
I called Osarodiongi.
When I chased you out, use that word. Use that.
When you chased me away from the hotel where I was living.
Not the hotel. Use the right word. What I do you?
Well, you chased me away from the hotel because they withdraw my security.
Because how did I chase you away?
Because my security was withdrawn. The police.
Then why did you run? Why you should have provided security or tell you?
So I don't know what they're planning.
All of when they join you, they cost about that. I mean, they can't provide security for you.
Okay, now let me put it to you, sir. In my village, only 2 months before Obazee handover, when I went to Nigeria, I called Osarodiongi. I videoed the primary school in my village. I sent to Osarodiongi. Within 6 weeks.
Wait, hold on. Big EA, are you still here? Big EA.
So Osarodiongi built that school within 6 weeks. In my village, I built.
I'm here.
Go to my village.
Okay,
go and see what I did in my
village. Call you to talk. Make this Ogioba talk first. Oh yeah, I'm wishing him well that his reign will be good.
Do you know, as a family of the Oba, do you know Ezeleka is not a crown prince? You calling Ezeleka a crown prince? Do you know it's an abomination?
He is the crown prince. The
Do you know
Oba
the
in his
meaning of crown
statement, wait,
prince?
listen to me. The Oba in his statement said, "My first son." So what does that mean? When he was addressing APC people in the government house, he said, "My first son."
But do you know the meaning of crown
The
prince?
Oba said, he said, "My first son."
Did he call
So
him crown prince?
are you going to go back and re-edit that video? He addressed Prince Ezeleka as his first son. Countless times the world has addressed. Listen to me, Davio. Prince Ezeleka is almost 40 or in his early 40. So if you are telling me now for a man that is almost 40 or a little bit after 40, that the Bawagi realized the way a crown prince, they would demand an explanation.
For your information, I'm a Benin man.
No, you're not the palace spokesman.
I am
secretary and PTC to
there is what
address
you call, I have a book, Benin Law and Custom. I have that book.
Man, I don't read all those doctored books.
Benin Law and Custom from Oba Palace, written by the Oba Palace. It's from Oba Palace.
Who is the author? Is Oba Palace the author? Who is the author?
It's late Gareva, Chief Gareva wrote those books. Okay. If you want me to send it to you on PDF, before you speak about it, you should go and look.
I don't have time. I just live
a life of
tomorrow. I don't read people with experience.
It's not a crown. If you're not a crown prince, you parade yourself as a crown prince. I think that is a crime according to the Benin Law and Custom. Ezeleka is not a crown prince.
So who is the crown prince?
The meaning of crown prince in Benin is when you are being inaugurated or crowned in a Daiken palace, you become a crown prince. Ezeleka is a prince.
Let me tell you something. Since I was in my secondary school, we addressed our current Oba as crown prince before the Daiken matter. Even when he was in Italy, when they do the ambassadorial this thing, he was addressed as crown prince.
When you were saying when the reign of Ezeleka would be
now better. When I give you have been looking for this opportunity for the past how many years? Now when I give you opportunity to speak to me, to be my platform, talk now.
Okay. You said
so you have been looking for this attention since.
I want to put. No, I have not sent request one day. This is the first day I sent.
You have been sending requests. You have
not
you don't know how many numbers they tell they come. If I don't hear your voice, I'll block you.
No, I did not send request.
You have been desperately seeking for my attention. Now, when I give you, use it judiciously, because you might not have it again for another 5 years.
See, why can't you? Since you are from the family of the Oba, you know, in Oba family they also have Okaigbe or Odiengbe. Since it's your member of your family, if a member of
the family is divided at the moment.
Okay, now there's what they call
there's serious division in the family.
There's what they call Odiengbe, which is the head of the family. If the Oba of Benin, you say he did this. Why did you?
No, it's not said. You said you still have all your videos.
I'm not from the family of Oba. You are from Oba family. Me,
but you told us that you have
from Obiso family. I'm not from Oba family.
You have informer. You told us about Imaria Bay, how Imaria used to give you information and all that. You said all those things now.
Yes, I said all those things.
So you are closer. You are closer to the current Oba than me. Because me, I don't have that close access.
See, when you talking about Benin Law and Custom, the man is the head of the family. Why the oldest man is the head of the man is the head of the house. The oldest man is the head of the family. And the oldest man in the community is the head of Isodionwere, which is the head of the community. Under the Benin Law and Custom, we have house, we have family, we have community, and we also have king. Now I'm asking you, if it is you are from Oba family, why can't you report the Oba to the head of the oldest man?
I am from the Obazee family.
But you say Islamogun you greet now.
Does that mean I live in the palace?
You are from the Oba Palace family now, isn't it?
Does that mean I live in the palace?
Okay, now the question now is that why are you running? I saw some video, people want to beat you every time they want to beat you.
It's a normal thing for activists now. A normal thing for a human rights. This physical attack is part of the work now.
Okay.
And the boy not beat you for train station when you were cursing niggas in the upper.
You are very funny.
Oh boy, like
Uh,
Mama made the video on that boy. Oh my God,
Wait. So
talk.
if you go to my village, I have a gas station which I built with almost about 25 million naira. I personally, with my short relationship with this SSG, I use the influence to build the primary school in my village. I personally bought a water cool to bore to for the borehole in my village. I
It's
used
not
my
buehole. It's not buehole, it's borehole. It's not bue.
borehole borehole. I use
Borehole.
my
Steps. Wait, repeat after me.
borehole
Borehole. Borehole. Not
borehole. My
buehole. So
accent.
what do you dey spell na buehole?
Okay.
BWE. It's ball. It's ball.
In my village, I bought Okada, brand new one, 5 million. I shared free for my people in my village.
Wait,
I
thank
build
me first for that
houses.
correction. Because now what your teacher not teach you for school, I teach you so.
Okay.
Thank me first for the correction.
Thank you very much, master.
How about you talk by? How about you talk by?
How can I say that you are talking? That is not my culture now. That is you are from the
Continue.
palace. That is your culture. That is not my culture. I'm from Ogiso side. So I'm not from your family. You understand? So we go to my village, go and ask about me. Or just go and check my impact. I built house for more than 3 people, and I also renovated houses for people. I gave what do you call this? What do you call it? I gave money 1,500,000, 200,000.
You dey do ekpeti work for Germany, like all those wash.
Now you ask those
You
people
dey
in my
do
village.
ekpeti because everything they talk
No,
so
no.
it's strange to
When I
us.
have the opportunity, I use it to help my people.
Okay, you
But
say you
what
do
did you?
school. You say you use your influence, say carry school come there.
Yes, my influence. When you were a governor with 8 years, what did you use that? Did you use that thing to impact your village, like what Okpebolo is doing now?
Listen
You
to
must
me.
start from your
Now,
home.
listen to me.
Mm,
Listen to me. You see where I did so? Now Leeds I did so. The capital city of UK is London. Part of the resources for Leeds, they go London. You hear me so? Almost everybody wants to live in London. Sometimes based on family life, maybe job, and maybe it's easier and cheaper to live in Leeds. Now many people they pull out of London to live for Manchester. In terms of accommodation, transport, way of life is cheaper down here. Now, you see that A-Hall? I have only been to A-Hall once, my village. We didn't grow in my father's village. In fact, growing up, we don't do things go my papa village because my grandfather raised all the children for city. My grandfather, he was a forest guard. So they travel, they go different area. Sometimes go there Orion, sometimes go there one day, sometimes go there Ovia. He was a senior forest guard, my grandfather. So he raised the children for Testami Road. After some time, my father went to Port Harcourt.
yes.
Now when my grandfather ready to say, Oga, he don't tell you marry. Now my grandfather begin worry my papa to come marry. You dey hear me so? So I will not grow. My father said we don't do things go mama village. Growing up, unlike my mom grew for village. So it was easy for us to dey follow mama dey go our village. Because she understand the place, the family, all those things. We don't to understand our village. If you tell me to say your papa village and your mama village, if you get opportunity to develop place, I will develop my mama village because now there I really go farm. Now there I eat, now there I sleep, now there I dey go for holiday.
Why you not do anything for the why?
You
With
understand?
you're very close to the governor.
And Obazee also have.
Answer it.
So who is going to take me to court now?
The state government can sue you to court. This is a criminal case. You versus the state government.
That's not criminal.
Okay.
Certainly is not criminal.
Now I see you can no longer go to Benin. I saw your asylum procedure. You allege you use this Pedro Obaseki as one of your excuses, the reason why you cannot go to Benin, and you even write the palace, which is the Oba Palace. Do you have any evidence to show that the Oba of Benin is looking after you?
Okay, wait.
Do you have any evidence
Larry,
looking for you?
I don't go to your place. I know that you misinform people about me a lot. You know, I never just said a true asylum many people take get document for abroad. You see that document that you people went to print to say that's my asylum statement. People wey get sense know say if you even put asylum document for Google, that's not the document. Now for do proper research, use ChatGPT to guide you to say how is asylum, how do they write asylum statement? Now for do not do to one ogbelaka typist, you type on a social media. So we not really embarrass myself. Whoever gave you that document messed you up.
Why you don't want to go to Benin anymore? Why are you running? You said you cannot. Why are you afraid? Is it not your land? Like me, I was in Nigeria 2023. I went to my village. You saw it, and I came back. And I'm still planning to go to Nigeria this year. But why are you running away from your home? Why?
How did you escape from Nigeria? How? Tell us.
Oh, when you call the palace to come and take me, they rejected and they refused. They refused. You know, I have a judgment from a court. The Oba of Benin, His Royal Majesty, have already assured the court and he signed that he's going to protect me anytime I'm coming to Nigeria. I should inform him through his own lawyer. So you know, I have a security guarantee that I will be protected by the palace. But why are you afraid to go to your homeland? You know, I'm a man.
How did you run? How did you escape through the border when you came? How did you run?
No, the reason why I left, I left when you called the palace to come and carry me. So the palace said they don't need me, they don't want me.
Who did I call? Okay, the palace said they don't need you.
I was there when you were calling the palace. They said they don't need me because of the court judgment. That's the reason why they said they don't need me.
So why did you do that wrong?
No, I went to, I don't want to mention the person's house I went to. When I was there, the palace called me through one of the chief. What's the name of that chief? I don't want to mention their names. They called me to come back, and if I lie, let me die by motor accident. They called me to come and bury my father, that they are not looking for me. The reason why I did not come back is because of Aswin Udalu. Because if I come back and I come and make a video, this XYZ, it will not look like I am the reason why Aswin Udalu did not win the election. So I came to sabotage the election. And I want to put it to you. Why can't you reduce your enemy?
Now, do you want me to play the day they almost detained you? Do you want me to play the video and what you said in that video?
No, you said they should take me, but the police said.
But do you want me to play your video?
You said they should take me to state CID.
Do you want me to play the video? I have it in my archive. I can play it right away.
What I said,
the video and everything you said in the video.
I was telling the police not to withdraw my security because if you withdraw my security,
they told you that they were recording you, right?
You sent somebody to record me. That is not.
And the lieutenant told you to leave. That you should leave. That's not what you told him that you were coming to do.
No, he said the police was confused. He said I should. You lie against me that I did a video where I was castigating about Benin. You said I am just like Osama bin Laden. You will say all sorts of funny things. And I swear to God Almighty, it's truth.
I said.
You said what?
Do you have evidence to the truth?
You have the video with you now. Your friend, that your boy recorded it. But me, I don't have any problem with you. But the reason why I came here, you cannot be fighting everybody.
Wait, you have been abroad. How many children you have? I think you have 5 children now. You've been abroad for
6 children.
How many children?
6.
You are so irresponsible. You have trained those children. Now let's assume the government is helping you train because you are lazy and irresponsible. You can't train them. Now you don't dare abroad now for I'm sure over 10 years. Because 2016, that time when they tried to do campaign, you called me and you were trying to be funny. I stopped talking to you. So you don't do more than 10 years. And instead of 10, only once you don't go to Nigeria. Me, my children they here, my wife they here. I don't know go front. I don't go back. Nothing is working. My friends are used to be millionaire and not asking me for money to eat. People are paying 200 naira to charge phone. People are paying 500 out of Child Power Bank. One of my friends, when be knows that big boy before I come out from Nigeria, we dey talk some days ago, he said before I come out, he dey fill a diesel tank 350. He can't show me video when they cut it offload, when they cut it refill the tank 2.2 million. And that diesel not gonna take 3 weeks. He said, Albert, not where you not tell us when we discharge. Now for him to discharge, and he gonna need to gather over 100 million. That's why when I discharge with less than 20-25 million, you don't discharge with family. Now you need over 100 million. So when you say me, I go for the state. I'm gonna eat barbecue when I don't do where my wife can easily cook, make good barbecue for me for here. I get good drink. I don't buy fake drinks. You don't see the way I look fresh.
Mr. Albert, well, you are.
So what I want to do for there? Tell me what I want to do. Tell me.
You are a PDP member.
I'm not a PDP member.
Oh, you are a Labour Party member. What party?
No, I'm not.
Okay, you are a supporter of our Asylum.
I only support a good government.
Okay, now I am seeing you are prognosing in APC affair. Why are you prognosing the affair? Are you the one to tell them this is the one supposed to come out for primaries? Is it your party?
Can you define the role of opposition and government critic?
Opposition.
You know the function of a government critic.
I know, but in your own critique,
we criticize the government and the ruling party.
No, I want to ask you a question based on your position as being a critic. You are not a member of APC. It is not your duty for you to be telling them this one is good for primaries, so this one is not good. Don't nominate this one. It's like you are jealous of APC. Why can't you just join the APC? Because you are not talking about PDP.
Let me tell you. Do you know how many? You know that time that you used to insult our Oba? People used to feed you information. Some feed right, some not right. So that's why APC people they tell me say, Abba, please speak for us. The Ozibobo we brought to the state has destroyed the state. Even we will be ruling party, we can't eat. If you are not over Abba, now ordinary belly you take sleep for a door. All the people that used to cost me their door, they are now praying for me to say, the evil rain self touch them. I know they fly, I know be wish, I know they do juju. Now where I sit down here, the information they come. Because they know that I have the voice, I love the people, I want the best for the state. So don't compare me with you. If you accuse me of criticizing the Oba, yes, I was okay, I support, I did it. But you cannot bring a video where I insulted him. Government will arrest you.
I am not here to defend the Oba. I am here not.
No, you have been trying. That's what you have been trying to do. It's like you want to penetrate.
No, I'm not defending Oba.
With the way Enamiko did it, like Oba.
No, I'm not doing that. The only thing I am here to ask from you is, I ask you the question, you dodge it. I know you. You said you are a son of the Oba. Your ancestors were the family from the Oba. You greet Lamogun. Anybody that greet Lamogun automatically means it's from the royal family.
That's what you know.
What make you to start criticizing Oba Ewari? Is it because of Obaseki, or you just did it by yourself, or
politics?
Okay.
It's not.